In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Mailerlite API key. Start by opening your Mailerlite dashboard in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct account, because the API key you generate will only work for that specific account. Once you are on the main dashboard page, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see your profile name there. Click your profile name to open a drop-down menu. In that menu, select Integrations. This takes you to the area where Mailerlite lists different tools and connection options you can use to link Mailerlite with your website, apps, or other services. On the Integrations page, scan the list until you find the option labeled API. When you locate it, click the Use button next to API. This opens the API section where you can create a token. Think of this token as the key that allows another service to connect to your Mailerlite account, so it is important to handle it carefully. Now click Generate New Token. Mailerlite will prompt you to name your token. Type a clear name that helps you remember where you will use it, such as the name of your website or the tool you are connecting. Using descriptive names is helpful later if you create multiple tokens, since you will be able to tell them apart at a glance. Next, check the box to agree to the terms. This is required before you can create the token. Then click Create Token. Mailerlite will generate your API key and display it. At this point, click the Copy button to copy the API key and save it somewhere secure right away. Treat it like a password. Only share it with trusted tools you control and avoid pasting it into public documents, emails, or screenshots. Once you have confirmed the key is saved safely, click Close. You have now successfully found and generated your Mailerlite API key, and you are ready to paste it into the integration or application that requested it. That covers everything you need to know.